how's it going? Hopefully it's going all well. So previously we had done all this. So we had done page number 18, 19 in the first part. We had done 20 and a little bit of this 21 in your second part, and we'll be beginning with page number 22 itself in this, which is your third part. And yeah, go ahead and watch those parts so that you can get a clear understanding of what exactly we are doing. This is a really important topic because verb sein is very important. Also, before we begin, remember we are learning together, growing together. We may make some mistakes, but we'll try to provide you the best knowledge we can. Okay, let's begin. Verb sein. Sein is to be. Sein is basically to be. This should be ish. Yeah. Okay. Ich bin. What is that? We are talking about sein. Where did bin come from? Basically, sein is your irregular verb. Sein is your irregular verb. What does that mean? That means it does not follow this, whatever this rule that we have learned. It works a bit differently, and it is very important because it comes almost everywhere. It's very important to identify that this means sein because it has very different conjugation here, verb conjugation. So this is something you will have to learn. Ich bin. Sein changes for ich to bin. Once you have learned bin now, it is very easy. You know why? The reason is because this you can learn as a song in your head. Like it goes by really fast. Like sein is there. Remember, with sein first comes bin. For du it comes bist. Bin, bist, sind is sind, seid, sind. Kind of like that also you can do. But this I just said wrongly right now. I didn't say the correct one. So bin, bist. Okay, bin, bist. If here, you know how I learned this. When I used to write the table, I did not write ich, du and directly zs. I wrote over here z. Here I wrote z. Okay, so it was like bin bist sind ist. Bin bist sind ist. And then seid sind sind. Seid sind sind. So why did I write? Basically take this z and what I'm doing here, if you're getting confused, let me tell you. Don't be confused now. I'm gonna begin from the beginning. So I'm not taking the table like you're seeing it on the screen. Oh wait, I can do this. Yeah. Ich, du, sie. I actually used to make all the tables like this only. It is more easier. Okay, so this is the table that I'm talking about here. This is the table that I'm talking about here. How to do? Ich bin. Ich bin. Du bist. Sie sind. Sein sind. Sie es ist. Ihr seid. Ihr is the most different one. Not really, but seid is kind of like different. And wir is sind. And sie both are sind. So, ich bin, du bist, sie sind, sie es ist, ihr seid, wir sind, sie sind. So, bin, bist, sind, ist, seid, sind. Bin, bist, sind, ist, seid, sind. You can remember it like this. So, here we have few examples on your screen as well here. Let's take a look. Ich bin Arzt. I am a doctor. Du bist Lehrer. You are a teacher. Er ist Mechaniker. He is a mechanic. Sie ist Sekretärin. That means she is a secretary. Es ist warm. That is warm. Ihr seid nett. You all are nice. Wir sind Freunde. We are friends. Sie sind reich. You are reich is rich. Sie sind nicht hier. They are not here. So, yeah, this is how basically you do it. You have to learn this, and this is the trick I told you to learn. So, let's see. Here, little thing. Deutsch is singt. He sings. In English, he sings. Maybe well. 2. He is going to sing. Or 3. He is singing. So these are the 3 meanings that we can get out of the simple singt. Based on context, we'll have to understand. So there's a tip over here given to us. Let us take a look at this tip. Since the verb stem of the verb arbeiten, okay, we're talking about this verb here, arbeiten, ends in T, arbeit, hence it takes an extra E for the conjugation. So basically it is the same rule, but it just takes a extra E, nothing else. Extra E, just that. Rest is same. So guys, this you have to do on your part because this is something you'll have to learn and it will come always in German. You have to learn this in German for every single verb. Once you've learned it for few verbs, then you'll already understand the pattern and you'll be able to do it by yourself. Now we have a partner Übungen, what's your partner practice or activity. This is the first your activity here we can see. Partner 1. Ich wohne in Delhi. Wohnt ihr auch in Delhi? That means I live in Delhi. Okay, I live in Delhi. Do you all also live in Delhi? So then partner 2 says, yeah, wir wohnen auch in Delhi. We also live in Delhi. So one thing you can say, ihr means you all. You all. Which means it is plural. So answer should be not ish. It should be wir because it's plural. Many people we are talking about. Wir wohnen auch Delhi. Verb conjugation already learned, so I don't need to explain. So, wohnen in Delhi. Kommen aus Orissa. Spielen Tennis. Lernen Deutsch. Gehen zur Schule. Arbeiten in Mumbai. So you can fill it by yourself also, by like however you want. I hope you understand the meaning of these verbs. We have learned this in fourth also. Wohnen to live, kommen to come, spielen to play, lernen to learn, gehen to go, arbeiten to work. Okay. Okay, one thing many of you must be getting confused that in arbeiten here we used in Mumbai, but I told it is arbeiten plus by in the previous part. How exactly? That is because sorry, yeah. That is because in arbeiten, whenever based on context, so you're working in Mumbai, but you're working at a company. So that's why by came. That's the difference. This is third part, right, guys? I was just checking that. Yeah, this is third part. Okay. Second activity, partner 1. Was sind Sie von Beruf Herr Desai? What sind is used here? What does that mean? Sie is formal you. Formal you, not informal. Formal you. That's why Zind has come. What do you do as your profession? Why did I say what do you do? And because Zind or basically your Sein verb means to be. So why didn't I say what do you be? Because Sein is kind of like to be, to do. Machen is to do exactly. But Sein is like you are like presently what are you doing, kind of something like that. Not only doing, it's like in the present you're being as yourself. That's what it means. Von is your from of, Beruf is your profession, Herr Desai. Parte 2, ich bin Techniker. Herr Desai, Techniker. Frau Schmidt, Sie Sekretärin. Herr Berger, er ist. So basically, this is kind of like an activity that you have to do. This is your third activity. I can't really do much over here. So you can just write Ich bin Techniker, Sie dash Sekretärin, er dash Arzt, Sie dash Lehrerin. So this is basically for your sein verb. So I know bin, bist, sind, ist. Your ist will come. Ist, 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 and ist. This is your activity. Wo arbeitest du? What do you do? What work do you do? Ich arbeite bei Siemens. I work at Siemens. Du arbeitest Siemens. Herr Müller arbeitet Maruti. Frau Schmidt arbeitet Lufthansa. And so on. So we'll be doing this in the next part from page number 23. So go ahead and watch part 4.